Once again, YouTubers, this is Sean from Inigo's Toy channel, and today we're going to review and compare the Tomica Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon and the Matchbox Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon from the Jurassic Park series. So we're gonna open this one first. By the way, I've already done a review on this G-Wagon from Tomica. You may click the link here to check out the review. So use both cars facing each other. You can see that the Matchbox is a little bit shorter compared to the Tomica excuse me, G-Wagon. They both have different wheels. I like the wheels on the Matchbox more. The Matchbox has a bumper here in front, while the Tomica doesn't have one. However, the Tomica has better details on the front compared to the Matchbox. The emblem is painted. Also, the grills are painted. Both don't have front headlight tampos. The Matchbox has windshield wipers, while the Tomica doesn't have one. Both have outlines and details here. Same design on the hood. The Matchbox has side mirrors, while the Tomica doesn't have one. Pretty much the same outlines here on the top of the car. The Matchbox, as you know, doesn't have opening features on the Jurassic Park G-Wagon. However, it has tampons here on the side. It says 5 with the blue stripes here, and it says for official use only with the Jurassic Park logo. The Tomica doesn't have tampons on the side, but it has fantastic outlines with opening front doors. Also, it has details here, while the Matchbox doesn't have one. Matchbox has blue mirrors, while the Tomica has a light black tint. It has darker tint on the back. The Matchbox has the same tint all over the car. Here, looking at the back, both have Mercedes logos on its reserve tire. The Matchbox has rear windshield wiper, while the Tomica doesn't have. The Tomica is wider than the Matchbox. Tomica has rear headlight tampos, so that's very nice. Also outlined here. Both have plastic base. The Matchbox is made in Thailand while Tomica is made in Vietnam. So both sets Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Here's a closer look of the car again. So which one do you like better? The Tomica or the Matchbox? Please comment below. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this comparison, and stay tuned for more videos soon. Goodbye.